What's up, guys? Daryl from Smart Shooters, and today is hot as two hells in Grand Rapids, Michigan. But I'm back dropping another video. We're gonna talk about upgrading the Staccato P. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I'm Daryl from Smart Shooters. I'm a firearms instructor, also a home-based FFL dealer, and I make gun reviews, gun content. If you like relatable content, content where right now we don't have to worry about sponsors or things like that because I pay for everything. Nobody sends us anything. I never have to say anything good about anything because I buy it all. And if I'm gonna spend my money on it, then I'm gonna say what I want to about it. So if you like honest content, hit the subscribe button. Let's talk about update on the Staccato. Fires 2 seconds. I don't even know if y'all can see that, but the fire set for 2 seconds. 3 times. .99, can y'all see that? This is all I have done to the Staccato P. Now, for all intents and purposes, firearms clip. This is all I've done. All I've done is added a Trigicon RMR Type 2 and a Surefire X300. Now, I do plan on getting this Cerakoted. Alright, so I'll put a picture right here. This is what I plan on doing to the gun. Alright, some form of this. I found this picture on the internet, it's not my picture, but that is what I'm thinking of doing with the Staccato P. I don't plan on doing any upgrades after that other than getting the DLC threaded barrel. I do want the black DLC barrel because when I do this to this, I think that silver barrel is not gonna look as nice. So those are the only things, and I wouldn't even call them upgrades as much as I would call it customizing. I'm really just customizing to make the Staccato my own. I love this gun so far. I had a real trash experience trying to get a Trigicon plate for this Staccato. I truly believe, unfortunately, a UPS worker stole my package.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
It showed me the UPS worker had my plate on the truck. It was out for delivery. All of a sudden, it was scanned back into the warehouse. And now UPS doesn't know where my package is. Staccato is still waiting to try to figure stuff out. And it's just a plate. So unfortunately, although Staccato has good customer service, I don't think that this is important enough for them to really keep me updated on. So
That nigga's tripping.
I got on Arms List, which is another website, no sponsorship, just shouting them out because they do a lot of private sales and stuff. And you could put it to your region. Found an optics plate for the dirt cheap, went and grabbed it, and now here we are. Let me know in the comments what y'all think of my little Cerakote job. I'm gonna pop that up again. What do y'all think about me getting that done to this Staccato? I thought about getting the Vulcan Machine Works treatment to it. I keep hearing about the EGW internals, the Atlas trigger, and things like that, but maybe it's the firearms instructor in me. I like running gun stock. I like really finding out what are the deficiencies of a gun before I make upgrades, right? So like a weapon light is a given, a red dot is a given. But now I really want to run the crap out of this gun and really try to find out what the deficiencies are. Like, can I outrun this trigger? It's a 4.5 pound trigger, so maybe, maybe a 3.5 or a 3 is good. I think 2.5 is a little light for duty use. I do intend to use this for duty. I own a private security company, and so this is my duty sidearm for that business. I've heard about some safeties that make it run better. Heard about mag welds that are a little nicer. I like the Dawson Precision mag weld though. I like how when I grip it, it just hugs my hand so well. I'm excited for the Staccato C. So I am getting the new Staccato C, and I'm getting it with a full-size grip because with a 4-inch barrel and a full-size grip, that's like Glock 19X, Glock 45 style of handgun, and those are the best. I carry a Glock 45 for concealed carry. That's what I run with an aim point acro, and I think that the C with this full-size grip is gonna be nice. Other than customize, I don't think I'm gonna do anything else, but some people was asking me what was I thinking or whatever, so I figured I'd make a YouTube video. What do y'all think? Let me know in the comments. Do you guys upgrade your guns for the sake of upgrading them, or do you actually run a gun, figure out what the deficiency is, meaning what can your gun not do, or what are you outpacing the gun in, and then upgrade that feature? Let me know in the comments. That was kind of it for this video, man. Cerakote job coming soon. I do think it's sexy like this. I think it's super sexy like this. But what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And oh, I forgot to tell you guys about the 100 like challenge. Let me tell you. So I'm running a 100 like challenge where you guys probably will know by the time this video comes out how it turned out. But if you go to our channel, on our shorts, on our YouTube shorts, or if you go to our Instagram page, we are saying if we can get 100 likes by tonight at 11:59 p.m., I'm gonna rattle can this joint instead of Cerakoting it. I'm gonna rattle can it up, do it up real nice, and let things fall where they may. So if you guys want to see, I don't see too many people on YouTube. I have seen some in some Facebook groups I'm in, but not too many people on YouTube have rattle can and Staccato. So if y'all want to see me do something fun for the channel, I'm gonna record it all and put it on YouTube. Let me know, man. And that's it. Good workout. 200 round workout, baby. Let's go. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch y'all on the next video. Peace.